Well, good morning, my dears. So, we are with our time tenses and aspects, and we have talked about time tenses in the previous class. And today, sorry, time and aspects in the previous class, and right now we are moving to the tense part. Okay. So, you must have learned in the earlier classes, that means in your school days, you must have learned about tenses. So, you must be having a basic knowledge of tenses in English, right? So, tenses grammatically it is a category which is referring the past, present, future timeline. Okay, tenses is a grammatical category. It is a grammatical category which refers to along the past, present, future, and present, past, present, and future timeline. Clear? So it talks about the present, past, and future timeline. Okay. And present tense does not always refer to present time. You must be careful of this point. You must keep in mind that a present tense does not always refer to present time, or a past tense to the past time. Okay. It actually present and past tense refer to all the three segments of the timeline. Okay. So you must be careful about this point, that a present tense does not need to mean about the present time. It may refer to the three tense forms. Okay, three segments of the timeline. That means it may show the past, present, and future. Now, talking about English tenses, they are marked with two inflections, which are the past and present. Mainly talking about English tenses, we have only past and present. In the previous class, I mentioned that, I think. So, in the past tense, the verb is, when the verb is talk, we can see the past form of the past tense of the verb is talked, and the present tense will be talks. And other tenses are marked by auxiliaries be or have. Other tenses are marked by the auxiliary verbs formed from the word be and have. Okay. Now, past continuous. You must have heard or seen these things: past tense, present tense, past continuous, past perfect, etc. Past continuous will be forming using was or verb, the ing form of the verb. And the past perfect. And look here, had plus the past tense. Okay, had plus the past tense forms the past perfect. Had talked. And now look here, past perfect continuous. Adding had been talking, had been continuous form is ing, and perfect tense shows had been. Past shows the had, and perfect is been, and continuous is ing form of the verb. So had been talking. Present continuous, am, are, is talking. You know how the sentence is made in a present continuous form. You can see here it may be added by using ing form along with the verbs such as am, are, is. Okay, auxiliary verbs such as is, are, am. I am talking. I am reading. They are reading, or they are talking. She is talking. Present perfect, have plus have talked. Present perfect, the same thing, have or has plus talked. How do you make the perfect tense? By using have or has with the past tense of the verb. Okay, had talked. It is the present perfect. And what do you mean by the present perfect continuous? Have or has plus been plus ing form. Okay, have or has plus been plus ing form of the verb. So present perfect continuous have, has, been, talking. Okay, they have been talking. She has been talking. Okay, this is the point which you have to get connected with the sentence, that present tense does not always refer to present time. Okay, this shows, look here, have or has talked. talked actually is a past form, but when we use it in a present perfect, we have to add the past tense form of the verb, right? So present perfect have plus talked. Okay, and present perfect continuous have, has, been, talking. Clear? And all forms of future will be in the form of will, adding will. Okay, and now you can see here the basic tense forms in English are, I will zoom it out. Okay, now you can see here simple forms, progressive forms. Here you can see in the left side you can see present, past, future, and in the upper side you can see simple forms, progressive forms, perfect forms, perfect, progressive forms, etc. Right? Now look here. First form plus s or es. Simple form will be the first form and it is adding es or es. It is a simple form, and she talks. Okay. Progressive. What do you mean by progressive? That is continuous form. Okay. I am talking, she is talking, they are talking. It is in the present tense, right? It is in the present progressive form. It is in the present progressive form we use. I am talking, she is talking, they are talking. So, what did we add there? Am or is, are plus ing form also, right? First form of the verb plus ing. Next one. Perfect forms. In the previous sentence we talked about, in the previous section we talked about perfect tense, right? So the same thing, have or has plus second form. Okay, have or has plus second form. Second form means past form. Okay, have talked, had talked, has talked. That's in the present form. Perfect progressive form, have or has plus been plus first form plus ing. What is first form? First form is the talk. Talk. The base form is the first form, and adding ing to the base word is talking. Okay, and in the next you can see here past tense. How do we form past? Simple past. Simple progressive. Progressive means simple continuous. Simple past. Past continuous. What do you mean by perfect forms? Past perfect forms. And past perfect progressive. Progressive means continuous. Past perfect continuous tense. It is, here means tense. Forms means tenses. Okay, simple forms means simple tense. Present simple present tense. Present progressive tense. Progressive means continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Then present perfect tense. Then present continuous tense. Okay, so that's what. Perfect continuous tense. Now, talking about the past tense form. Now you can see in the past tense, a simple past will be in the second form. It is in the second form. I talked, she talked. Okay. And now in the continuous form, how will we write it? The past tense, the past progressive tense. How will you represent the progressive tense? You can see here, she was talking. That means she was or were, they were talking. So what did we add? Was or were plus first form plus ing. That means first form means the base word. The base verb, which is a base verb, you can see here the base verb. We are talking about talk. The word talk. So talk is the first form. So adding ing, you can form either the progressive present or the progressive past. Clear? And then you can see past perfect tense. And how do we make that? We can see here had plus third form. What is the third form? Been form, right? V1, V2, V3. That is the third form. You have learned this one. Started. Then jumped. Third form. Sleep, slept. So this is the third form. Slept is the third form. That is the perfect form. Okay, that is the third form. Had plus third form. And then again, how will you make a past progressive tense? You can add had been plus first form plus ing. The same thing. She had been talking. She had been talking. Okay, I had been talking. Clear? And now when we are moving to the future tense, you can see here will, shall plus first form. In the future, you can see here what is the simple form of the simple future tense. How will we add it? I will talk. I will talk. I shall talk. That means will or shall plus the first form of the verb. Which is the first form of the verb? You can see here with the first form of the verb is talk itself, right? And then you can see in the second progressive one, which how will you use in the progressive one? Will be plus first form. That means I will be talking, I will be talking, I will be or she will be talking, or they may be, they will be talking. Okay, so what did we add? Will be plus first form, which is the first form talk, plus ing talking. Okay, and in the next one progressive form, you can say perfect form. How will you add it? How will you add future progressive, future perfect? How will you make a future perfect tense? Will have plus second form, which is a second form. Will have been, right? Will have been. Will have talked. Will have talked. It is not the will have been is not the second form. It is actually in the next section we will talk about it. Here will have plus second form. Third form. Which is the third form? Which is the third form? Be. It is a form of being, right? So what will we talk about? Will have talked. Will have been talked. Now, in the perfect progressive, future perfect progressive, will have been talking. Will have been talking. Okay? Clear? So this is the basic form of the table form of the 12 basic tenses in English. This you have to by heart, then only you will be able to understand it better. Now, okay, how much minute it's now? It's almost 12 minutes right now. I'll come to the simple present tense in the next class. Then it will be much more familiar to you with some examples. I will be giving you with some examples I have given here. But I think it is enough for today. Otherwise, if I'm going much more, then it will be a tough thing for you to understand. So I'm stopping here right now. If any doubts regarding any tenses form, any tense forms, you can call me. Okay. So basically, you have to understand present tense, past tense, and future tense. We usually say that past, present, future, or present, past, future. They have simple form. That means simple present, simple past, simple future, and they have simple progressive form. That means present progressive form, present past progressive. What do you mean by progressive? Progressive means continuous. That means present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense. Okay. And next one, you can see the perfect forms, which is a perfect form, present perfect tense, present past perfect tense, future perfect tense. Then you can see present continuous tense or progressive tense. Then you can see past progressive or continuous tense. Then you can see future continuous or progressive tense. These are the 12 forms, 12 tense forms in English. Okay. So this is what you have to study. Okay. I'm stopping here right now. Bye.